Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 4 of exercise 9.2. Question number 4 says, obtain the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height respectively. Students, they have given us 3 monomials and they have told us in each part one is length, one is breadth and the third one is height of the rectangular box. We have to find the volume of the rectangular box. For finding volume of the rectangular box, volume is equal to, formula is volume is equal to length into breadth into height. This is the formula of volume of any rectangular box. So what we will do, we will apply same way the sum which we have solved question number 3. The same way we will write here L is equal to 5a, breadth is equal to 3a square and height is equal to 7a raised to 4. Therefore volume of rectangular box is equal to L into B into H is equal to 5a into 3a square into 7a raised to power 4. We will take numerical values in one box, 5 into 3 into 7, and then multiply the variable portion. 7 3s is 21, 21 5s, 25s is 100 and 1 5s is 5, so it is 105 into a. The base are same, so we will add the powers. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. So therefore what is volume? Volume is equal to 105 a raised to power 7. Volumes are always measured in cubic units, so we can write cubic units, right? So this is our answer. Moving to second part. Second part says 2p, the length is 2p, 4q is breadth and 8r is the height. So we will write here length is equal to 2p, breadth is equal to 4q and height is equal to 8r. Therefore volume is equal to length into breadth into height is equal to 2p into 4q into 8r. Again numerical portion in one bracket, 2 into 4 into 8 multiplied by p into q into r. 8 4s is 32 and 32 2s is 64. PQR we will write as it is because they are not the same variable, and this will be our answer. Moving to the third part. Third part question is x y 2x square y and 2x y square. So here L is equal to xy, breadth is equal to 2x square y and height is equal to 2x y square. Therefore volume is equal to L into B into H, that is length into breadth into height, xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. Take the numerical portion in one bracket and take the variable portion, same variable portion in other bracket, and the remaining variable, that is y, in other bracket, y into y square. 2 2s is 4. X, the base are same, so we will write x as it is and add the powers. Power is 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. Again y, which is the base, is same, so we will add the powers, and the answer is 4 x raised to power 4 and y raised to power 4. Moving to the last part, that is fourth part. Question is a into 2b, sorry, it is only a into 2b into 3c, that we are going to do. Here length is equal to a, breadth is equal to 2b, and height is equal to 3c. Therefore volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Multiply the numerical portion 2 into 3 and multiply the variable portion in other bracket. So we will get 6 ABC cubic units. Hope you have understood this question, how to find the volume of the box given its length, breadth and height. We will meet with new video in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.